Hey everyone, welcome back to Brass Hall. We're doing another Bartender Sessions. I wanted to do a hot drink for you this time. It's called the Rumplesnuggler. Obviously, we're going to be using Rumple Minze and Baileys as well. We're going to use a hot cocoa as the base here. And to do this, we need to be precise, because I'm using a precise type cup. There's only 10 ounces that'll fill this guy up. So this is your print. This is a jig. This side right here is 1 ounce, this side is 2 ounce. I'm going to take this little beaker here and some water, and simply measure out exactly 5 ounces. Two on one side, one on the other. Pretty sure my math works out there. Now, I'm gonna heat that up with a little movie magic. Pow! Take some hot cocoa. Dump straight in. And stir, of course. I'm pretty sure you all know how to do this part. It's a bar and I got a bar mat. I don't mind if I get a little messy. But I don't like mixing in the same cup that I'm using. So now, I'm going to take 1 ounce of my Baileys. And 1 ounce of Rumple. There we are. So we got a very creamy minty concoction here with creamy chocolate right here. Also feel free to use milk, it doesn't hurt, it only helps. And simply add. Now you can garnish this puppy with a little whipped cream, chocolate topping, however you want, but honestly it's good just as is. The Rumplesnuggler. Let's get warm.